Hello adventurers, and on today's adventure we're going to be looking into some audio equipment. Now this is going to be a cool little unboxing that we will be doing today. I have two new products I'm going to be showing today, one for this video and one for another video. They are audio equipment, so if you guys want to check out these audio equipment for yourself, I'll leave it down in the description down below about the equipment and a link for the product itself. But let's get into this product. So this product is a clip mic. Now, you guys also might notice probably by my voice and also the way I sound, I am totally sick. I've been sick for about a week now and I'm losing my voice. So this thing is actually really nice to have on because I don't have to have a microphone stand right in front of me. Awesome little clip mic here. It is a Maono. I'm sorry if I can't say that right because like I said, I'm losing my voice. It does do video shooting, presentations, interviews, and selfies. So if you need, I don't know why selfies is on here because you're not going to be talking when you're doing a selfie now. I am actually recording this on my phone and I actually am wearing the product right now. So in this video, you guys will hear hopefully it's not too bad, you guys will hear the audio of the mic in the thing. So this whole thing is recorded with another one. I got two of these mics, so you guys will hear the audio throughout the video, and you guys will get to see what's in this box itself. Enjoy it and want to pick it up for yourself. Now, when I was doing it on my phone, it kind of seemed a little low quality. So in the video, it might be brought up a little bit. The volume was low, and that also might have just been because the clip was a little low. Like I could just zip this up a little better, and if I can't get it to go a little better, you guys can tell by my voice I'm slowly losing it. Well, let's get into it. Let's open the box here. Now, to unbox this first time, I already know what's in this box, but you guys don't. So let's go open this box and see what's inside of it. To start this off, we get an extra battery. So in the little point that I'm going to show you in a sec, already has a battery. So you get an extra battery, and then within this you get a little mic cozy. So each mic has a cozy for themselves. You also get a clip. Now this clip will go onto like your clothing and stuff, so you can clip it on and hold it into place. Before we get into the meets and greets of it, we do also have a handy dandy little carrying bag for it, so you don't lose any of your batteries or you don't lose any of your mic stuff. It's nice, it's safe, it keeps it cool, or keeps it cool. That doesn't make really sense. It keeps it all in one area. Now, I can't remember what the price limit of this was. I will make sure in editing that I put it so you guys can also see how much it is. So if you guys want to pick it up for yourselves, you guys can be like, okay, I do. I did watch the reviews on this. The guy that I was watching, he said that he used this mic when he was recording it. Now, was I sure he was using mic? I'm not sure. I thought I would test it out for myself. So you get a cool little pamphlet that kind of shows the insides of it, and it's all, I think, in Japanese. I don't think there's any, oh, there's one side of English, and then the rest are, oh, nope, there's two. Okay, so it does show you and how to change the batteries and stuff, but you guys can look at that for yourselves if you guys choose to get it. Now, let's look at the meets and greets, the wire itself. Now this thing is very, very long, so if you come into the problem of, you're like, oh shoot, I want something that I don't have mine undone. So all this is still connected on mine because I'm not really moving much. Hooking up to my DSLR camera, which I can hook this up to my camera, which is lovely. So if I want to hook this up to my camera so the audio is fixed on my camera, I can. I chose to do it on my phone because I thought it would be a little easier to work with. So you get two little like plugs. So this is a plug that I don't know what these are called because I'm not really big of a tech guy. But you can put this like in an amp or an audio interface that you can do effects and stuff to, which I do have one of those, or an audio interface that kind of you can adjust the volume and stuff. That's what this is for. Now if you pull that off, you have your little headphone jack, your aux thing that you can plug into your phone, plug into some of your cameras, you can plug into your computer, anything you want, you can do it as, you can plug this in. So you can, if you're looking for like a cheap mic and you don't want to spend like on a good mic like one of these, hopefully this quality is good enough. I won't know of the quality until I'm editing the video itself, but you get a pretty long wire here. It's very, very long. In here, it has an on switch and off switch, very simple, but you twist this part right here. So there's the battery right there. That's where you put the new battery. That's it. You just change the battery right there. Okay, you have the rest of your end. So if you want to keep this kind of bundled up, you can keep this bundled up with it has a little, what do you want to call it, Velcro strap that you can keep that wrapped up when this one does not. So want to take this one apart, you can do it. I'm just saying, that it doesn't have the Velcro like one does. So the mic is very simple. It's kind of plasticky, so that's my worry that it might not be a good mic, and plus it's a cheap mic. But like I said, I watched the guy using it, but like I said, I wasn't sure if he was actually using it or if he's using an external mic or like a microphone like that somewhere hidden where it was shown. So we will see, because I'm really sick, and of course this bigger external mic would have been better, but I wanted to test these out because I am going ghost hunting soon, so I needed some mics that I can do interviews and if I'm losing my voice, this will help me out a lot. Going back to it, it is a pretty cheap mic, but the cozy just goes over like this. So let's grab the cozy. I think this is the other one. Grab the cozy. See if we can't do it. Hopefully you guys can see it too. I'm not sure because I can't see my thing, but it just sits over like that. Like I have mine down here, and then you have your clip, and your clip kind of goes right in between. So if you guys can see, I'll zoom in. There's a little like black circle that you can put it in, but your little mic cozy goes over up until that point. Clip this little bar right here onto this part right here, and then you just clip it onto your shirt or wherever you're clipping it. You can clip it onto that. So it's good for interviews and stuff. It does, like I said, work for your smartphone, your computer, your camcorder, your PC, and your DSLR. So it is a good microphone to work with multiple in-sources instead of one in-source at a time. That's basically about it for this microphone. Like I said, I will put it in the video after editing how much this mic cost, and we'll also see how audio quality sounds afterward. But before we actually end this video, if you're a neat freak like I am, you can adjust your straps and stuff, make sure everything's organized. You might slide your other battery in there, and I'm not sure if my other cozy's around here somewhere. And then just zip it in, and you know, it's good to go. Throw it in your computer bag, throw it in your desk, throw it in wherever you want to throw it in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cool little unboxing. Like I said, I do have another one coming towards the channel soon. It might be before this one, it might be after this one. I'm not sure when it's going to be posted. But I'm back slowly. I've been sick for at least 2 weeks now, or 1 week. I was slightly getting sick the second week, so as you guys can tell with my voice, yes, I know I am sick. So hopefully videos will be coming more to this channel. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Keep commenting on the channel and let me know other gadgets or gaming consoles or anything you guys would like me to unbox. Maybe some TV show products, maybe this or that. I'm sorry that this video isn't as funny as you guys hopefully it would be, because if I would make it as funny as I want it to be, my voice would be gone and I would be probably more sick than what I am, and I probably shouldn't be recording this video, but I'm on a time lapse of me and get videos done. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. By now, I'm Mr. Brattyharp, and I'll see you guys on the next epic adventure. Peace, you boys out.